I want to get veiny hands in just 2 minutes. Do the very easy and simple exercises with me right now so that you can see the results with me. Hold your arms with both hands and slowly go up and down. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. You can help me a lot just by liking. Thank you for your like. This exercise is very easy like other exercises. Just open your hands and fingers and make up and down movements with your wrists. 30 seconds of doing this exercise is enough. This exercise is very similar to how to use dumbbells, but without dumbbells. Repeat like me. The veins in my hand are slowly becoming prominent. 30 seconds of doing this exercise is enough. In this exercise, try to keep your wrists still and do this exercise only with your fingers. This is very impressive and you have to do it for 30 seconds. The last step. Hold your arm with your hand and open and close your other hand until your hand is ready. 10 seconds is enough. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.